Hello and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. My name is Kanav Bali and you are watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel, and we have brought you a very interesting discussion on a very different topic. This has nothing to do with the on-field cricketing stuff that has been going on in world cricket right now, all the series. This is some behind-the-scenes stuff, some broadcast issues with the ICC. Star has started a renegotiating deal with the ICC regarding some issues that they have. इसी पे और चर्चा करने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं Sahil Malhotra, who will give us insights into what all is happening. Sahil, I'll throw the floor to you. Please tell our viewers what's all happening in this space between the broadcasters and the ICC.
Kind of very simply put, for the layman, Star is the official broadcaster of the Indian market for all ICC events, which the cycle started with the 2024 T20 World Cup. Star paid $3 billion for the ongoing cycle, a lot of money, and the biggest broadcast deal which ICC has ever seen, and the kind of premium which Star paid. Now they have realized the fact that they will no longer be able to, or it will be very difficult for them to recover the amount which they have pumped for this media rights cycle. There are plenty of issues around that. We'll touch that later. But for the basic thing, the basic gist of what we are going to discuss today for the masses, Star ने जो $3 billion दिया, Star ICC के पास गया है. They have knocked the ICC doors. They're telling them we need a discount, we need a rebate. The amount is too much. We are nowhere close to recovering those costs, and they have underlined plenty of issues for that, from 2024 T20 World Cup to what the future holds. A lot of things around that, but for starters, Star wants a discount, and a big discount on what they have paid to the ICC for the ongoing media rights cycle for the Indian market.
Yeah, absolutely. और साहिल कोई reason होगा? What do you think is the trigger for this? What do you think is the reason that Shar out of the blue decided to approach ICC, write letters to ICC, okay, we need to renegotiate this deal? What was that trigger for them?
I think the trigger kind of was the poor delivery of the 2024 T20 World Cup. It all started with the administrative mess, with so much confusion regarding the venues, how the broadcasters were unable to even conduct venue rekies of the venues which were hosting games like India versus Pakistan, because the facilities were just not ready. And then you look at the quality of the outfield, the quality of the pitches, not just in USA but also the West Indies. Take for instance the semi-final between South Africa and Afghanistan. It was not a good advertisement for T20 cricket at all. The wicket was horrible. The pitch was horrible. India's three matches in New York, they were low-scoring affairs. No one wants to come and see the ball beating the bat. T20 is all about sixes. How many sixes were hit in New York? You can probably count on fingers of India games. उंगलियों के हिसाब से आपको छक्के पड़े हैं. तो that advertisement wasn't good for T20 cricket, and Star knew that they've paid a lot of money for this media rights cycle. They were hoping against hope कि India के matches, India का semi-final, and then eventually India winning the final will give them the returns which they would have forecasted. But from what I've heard, I've spoken to people, on both sides of the table, and Star have actually fallen short by 40 to 50% of their viewership goals and targets which they had set. So that's a big gap, and बहुत attempts हुए ICC की तरफ से भी, Star की तरफ से भी, इंडिया के मैचेस का टाइम जोन इंडिया मार्केट फ्रेंडली रखा, स्पॉन्सर्स को लर करने के लिए इंडिया के मैचेस ऐसे टाइम पे रखे जो इंडियन प्राइम टाइम को सूट कर रहे थे. बट the activation in the US, the marketing plan, the build up to the tournament, I think you will also agree, Kanav, इस वर्ल्ड कप में वो बस फील नहीं हुआ. पहले लगता था कि टाइम जोन का एक डिस्कॉर्ड है. अग्रीड, टाइम जोन का डिफरेंस था, बट इवन टाइम जोन अपार्ट यार, मतलब एक बस आपको फील नहीं हुआ. And it's leaving a deep hole in the broadcasters pocket right now, and that was the major trigger. और ICC की pitch ratings again were a joke. So वो तो हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. वो मतलब outfields and pitches weren't ideal for T20 cricket, and we saw the World Cup preceding this World Cup. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी कुछ low scoring 150 वाले matches हुए थे. The famous MCG game between India versus Pakistan wasn't a high scoring affair, but the vibe was good, the pitch was good, the outfield was good. You could actually watch cricket. There were 1 lakh people, close to 1 lakh people in the stands, right? और यहाँ नसाउ काउंटी के वेन्यू पे आपने जो ब्रॉडकास्टर का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉपर्टी था, इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के 2 और ग्रुप गेम्स, आपने ऐसे वेन्यू पे डाल दिए जहां पर कोई होस्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है। फिर आप लॉडरहिल फ्लोरिडा चले गए, वहां बरसात हुई, आपके पास कवर्स नहीं थे कि ग्राउंड पूरा कवर हो जाए। तो ये सारी चीजें स्टार ने हाईलाइट करी हैं एंड द मैटर हैज बीन एस्केलेटेड। मतलब एस्केलेशन से मैं बात करूं, इट इज नो लॉन्गर बिटवीन योर पीपल हु आर arranging these commercial agreements, it has reached the top bosses. So it's going to be a tough few days for the ICC, because Star is applying a lot of pressure now.
Yeah, and that's actually a very important question. That they have initiated a debate on refund or discount or rebate or renegotiation, but it's not that easy to get a renegotiation deal with the ICC. What could be the next step now? What do you see happening in the future, in the near future?
See, if you ask me practically, this is a good pressure tactic applied by Star, but it hasn't happened anytime in the past कि एक deal जो sign हो गई, अब ICC बैठ के बोल सकता है ना, you knew what you were signing for. ऐसा तो नहीं है, उनको नहीं पता था कि यूएस के अंदर मैचेस होने हैं, टाइम जोन डिस्कॉर्ड होगा, बट स्टार इज वेरी स्मार्ट हियर. दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पिचेस, द आउटफील्ड, द कंडीशंस, सो ऑल दोस थिंग्स, दैट्स वेयर आईसीसी हैव मेस्ड इट अप. That's where they're trying to cover their tracks by giving the pitch ratings which we saw last week. So ICC is being very smart covering its tracks, but Star also is smarter than them. Star ये बात नहीं कर रहा टाइम जोन वाइम जोन का, ये तो हम लोग आपको बता रहे हैं, but Star is basically talking about the delivery of the T20 World Cup, which absolutely was underwhelming. Now the matter has been escalated so much that even the current chair, Greg Barclay, has been involved in discussions. The matter has reached him. He's actively involved in discussions and whatever renegotiations and whatever is happening. Whether it will happen, I think it's very unlikely. But something will happen out of this, because Star has paid a lot of money and it's ICC's responsibility to keep its most important stakeholder. Why I say most important stakeholder? Because ये media rights का जो revenue आता है ICC को, that keeps the health of world cricket in good space. So ICC cannot afford to, just shoo away people who are giving you $3 billion. That's a lot of money. It's keeping world cricket in good space. So pressure रहेगा. अब conclusion अगर ऐसे आप बोलो 10% डिस्काउंट ले लो, आलू भिंडी खरीदने तो निकले नहीं हो. मतलब पेपर वर्क होता है, लीगल टीम्स होती हैं on both sides of the table. But having said that, I think ICC have messed it up by the delivery of the T20 World Cup and the next event, which is officially given to Pakistan. There's so much confusion about that as well, Champions Trophy. So अगर आप स्टार के पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचो, तो 2026 में जो T20 वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया में होने वाला है, I think that is going to be their best property. And then the 27 ODI World Cup in South Africa. So उसके अलावा मतलब इतना losses पहले 2 events के अंदर, it's going to take some toll. And then अभी बांग्लादेश वाला Women's T20 World Cup has been moved to UAE. तो वहाँ भी logistical issues आएंगे, costing बढ़ेगा, बहुत कुछ होने वाला है यार. मतलब अभी it's not a good place to be in for both ICC and Star, because both of them will have differing opinions. But having said that, in a nutshell, ICC clearly messed up the T20 World Cup and the stakeholders are not happy, and Star is the biggest stakeholder, I would say, in this entire entire pie which we are talking about. So ICC must keep it happy.
Yeah, and when we talk about who all are involved in all these discussions, I think you have perfectly answered. It has raised up to the chairman of the ICC now. Are these big people involved from both the parties now?
Yeah. So top brass of both sides of the table. It's no longer between the commercial partners or head of events who has already resigned, Chris Tetley, or GM marketing Claire Furlong. ये अब इनके लेवल का बात, हाँ, इनके लेवल पे dialogues हो रहे होंगे, but it has already been escalated to people like Greg Barclay. So it's no longer restricted to the lower rung people or the middle rung people. It's right up there, because the matter is serious, and it kind of World Cup के बाद Star was a lot more on the offensive.
Yeah. Well, we'll have to wait and see what does happen in the near future. As you said, it's highly unlikely it will easily hota nahi hai, because the broadcasters knew what they were getting into, but they also have fair points, and as you said, they have played very smartly in this. And maybe something new will happen. ऐसा कुछ देखने को मिल सकता है, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see what is the outcome. Thank you so much, Sahil, for connecting with us and giving us some amazing insights into this topic. And thank you so much for all our viewers. Please do subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel. ऐसे ही और updates और interesting discussions, debates आपके लिए आती रहेंगे. आपको सिर्फ subscribe करना है, and all you need to do is hit the bell icon. Until then, please take care of yourself and have an amazing day.